Assalamu alaikum. This video has been produced by the healthcare professionals at the British Islamic Medical Association who wish for you to have a healthy Ramadan. So how can we keep hydrated in this Ramadan?
Water.
Water.
Water?
Water is not just important, because you're feeling thirsty. It's also very important for your body to maintain being healthy.
This is not the time to risk going to hospital because you are dehydrated. Remember your water intake, both at suhoor and iftar times.
Water, milk and yogurt drinks are good fluid options.
Fluid-rich foods such as fruit, watermelon for example, vegetables such as broccoli, soups and stews can also help increase your fluid intake.
Best way to take fluid, have water with food.
Have less than 500 milliliters in one sitting.
The bulk of water should be drank before starting fasting.
Avoid sugary, fizzy and caffeinated drinks no matter how much you like, because they will make you even more thirstier.
Coffee drinkers, right? Even me, I understand that, having from loads of coffee to no coffee a day can bring you withdrawal symptoms like headache and dizziness. So it's really important for people who drink coffee to reduce their intake gradually when we hit Ramadan to prevent those symptoms from happening.
We pray for you all to have a beautiful Ramadan, full of blessings, and remember, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others.